Drunken Kung Fu, also known as Zui Quan, is a unique style of martial arts that mimics the movements of a drunken person. Despite its seemingly comical and erratic appearance, this style actually has real applications in combat. One of the main principles of Drunken Kung Fu is deception. By deliberately appearing unbalanced and uncoordinated, a practitioner can lull their opponent into a false sense of security, making it difficult for them to predict their next move. This element of surprise can give the practitioner a significant advantage in combat situations. Another key aspect of Drunken Kung Fu is fluidity. Practitioners of this style are trained to move in unpredictable and irregular patterns, making it challenging for their opponent to anticipate their attacks. This constant shifting of stance and movement can confuse and disorient an opponent, making it easier for the Drunken Kung Fu practitioner to strike effectively. Overall, while Drunken Kung Fu may seem unconventional, it has proven to be an effective fighting style when used by skilled practitioners. Its emphasis on deception and fluidity makes it a formidable martial art with real-world applications in combat situations. One of the key characteristics of Drunken Kung Fu is its deceptive and evasive footwork. Practitioners of this style will often feign clumsiness and vulnerability, only to suddenly strike with precision and power. By constantly shifting their weight and changing direction, they are able to confuse and outmaneuver their opponents. In addition to its footwork, Drunken Kung Fu also places a strong emphasis on hand techniques. Strikes are delivered with speed and accuracy, utilizing open palms, fists, and elbows to deliver powerful blows. The fluid and unpredictable nature of this style makes it difficult for opponents to anticipate and defend against the attacks. Overall, Drunken Kung Fu is a dynamic and versatile martial art that requires a high level of skill and concentration. Its combination of deceptive footwork and effective hand techniques make it a formidable and entertaining style to watch and practice.